Today we are going to perform a skit, that is fair play. I am Meghana K. My character is Juman. Now I will request to team members to introduce their characters.
My character is background speaker.
My character is Sahu.
My character is background speaker.
My character is Algu Chaudhary.
My character is Aunt.
My character is Juman wife.
My character is Algu wife.
Hello everyone. Our friends important to everyone.
Yes, of course, friends are very important in our life.
And it will boost health also. Listen to me. Here I will tell you a story about two friends.
Yes, name of the two friends are Juman and Algu.
When either of them went away, the other will look after his family.
Friend Algu, I'm so fortunate to have a friend like you. Yes, I do like your friendship. I pray to good God, to good health and everything you want. She's my old aunt. She lives with us.
Yes, my dear boy. Yes, my dear boy. I have no dear ones, so I decided to live with you.
But few days later, the situation changed gradually.
Juman's wife started neglecting by giving little food, not care of.
Juman, as you know, I cannot live with your family because your wife is not taking care of me.
Aunt, please, you have to adjust to our family.
Not live with you. Kindly give me a monthly allowance so that I can set up my own kitchen.
No, Aunt, I will not give any allowance to you.
Aunt starting asking so many people to support.
But no one supported us.
Lastly, Aunt decided to take off its support of Algu Chaudhary.
Hello, Aunt. How are you?
I am fine, Alagu.
Please come, Aunt. You are looking so dull. Please sit down, Aunt. What is the matter?
Dear,
What is the
dear Algu, they are not to give a monthly allowance to me.